Welcome to the infrared of Realme GT Neo 3, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So let's just first open the settings application and then tap here on the sounds and vibration. You will see for the first section what is on the start mode. We can turn it on or turn it off by click on the switcher. We can also set a schedule here, the start and the end time of the done the start mode. Also, we can allow notifications, messages, and calls just from anyone, just from no one, from the contacts, for example. Also, we can activate and turn on ring for repeated calls and to mute media also in the start mode. Here we have also the sound, silent, and vibration mode section. We can switch it just by this way. And also we have here the volume section with the meter, ringtones, notifications, and alarms. We can switch to the left or to the right side these volume panels just by slide this dark dot to the left or to the right side here. Also we can change ringtone and notification sounds. We can turn on or turn off the vibration on ring mode. Also we can change the vibration intensity for rings and our notifications. We can here activate and turn off the system haptics. Also we can change the haptic intensity here, and we can turn on or turn off the dial button, screen lock, unlock sound, screenshot sounds, deletion sound, fingerprint animation sound, and also the touch sounds. All of these options we can turn on or turn off by click on each of the switchers. Also we have here the Dolby items. We can turn them on or turn them off here, and in advanced settings we have volume button function. We can switch media volume to ringtone one. So now by press the up or down volume button we'll switch medias, and if you'll change it to the ringtone, so we'll change the ringtone by this way. And also we can switch default recorder from Octa select to the add-on, and we can also turn on or turn off the in-ear monitoring feature. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.